Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use the referral code on Shein. First thing that you should do is you have to open the Shein application and then make sure that you have logged into your account so you'd be able to order a product. Okay, and then once you're here, you just have to select the product that you want to purchase. For example, I wanted to purchase one of these t-shirts. So what you're going to do is you just have to click on add to cart, and then you just have to select the color as well as the size of that specific product. And then here, so let me just try this one. Okay, now let's go to our basket. So this one at the top right, and then you just have to click on the checked out button, this one at the bottom right of your screen. So next thing that you should do is you have to select your payment method. Then once done, you just have to scroll down, and then you have to look for these options. So you have here the apply coupon, the gift card, and then when you click on view more, you'll be able to see here more options. So what you're going to do is to click on the apply coupon, and then right here, you just have to type out your referral code. Okay, and then once done, you just have to click on apply, and then you'd be able to use the referral code on this purchase. So you just have to click on continue, and then your referral code will now be applied to this purchase. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.